Dad was in the living room, and Aunt Jerusha was teasing him. Dad was getting mad at her, so he threw a shoe at her, and she jumped out of the way and it hit Joe. And he started screaming, "Ah!" And Nana came in and said, "What happened to Joe?" And Jerusha. Aunt Jerusha. And Aunt Jerusha said, "Daddy threw a shoe at Joe, but then Dad came in and said, 'No, I didn't. I threw a shoe at Aunt Jerusha, and she jumped out of the way, and it hit Joe.'" And Nana got mad at Jerusha, and she said, "The next time someone throws a shoe at you, don't jump out of the way."